Welcome to our short upper body strength class. So we're going to start on all fours, and you know me, so let's start with some core connection breathing. Take a deep breath in and out, just your natural, normal breathing for a few breath cycles. Nice. Inhale and exhale, minimal effort here. Starting to just get out of your head and connect to your breath and body. Nice. And for the next few breath cycles, as you exhale, I want you to squeeze your belly to spine, that corset-like breath, just connecting to all of the core muscles with a slight lift of the pelvic floor. Inhale, expand into the rib cage, neck stays relaxed, spine stays neutral. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, expand. Exhale, squeeze. One more, inhale and exhale. Nice, and let's do a short wrist warm-up. So come back onto the tops of your feet and start to stretch out the wrists side to side. Wrist circles. Nice. And other way. Breathing here. Come back to all fours and bring your hands with your fingers facing you. Lean your body back only as far as feels comfortable. You want to feel a slight stretch, but nothing more. Nice. Now bring your hands with your fingers forward, and you're just going to lift up gently from the wrist. And the further forward your body weight is, the harder this is. So just play with what feels good for you. And change. Let's do a few bird dogs. So lift that right leg back. And if that feels good, you can lift your left arm up and then bring them together and back, together and back, together and back. Nice. And switching sides, right arm, left leg. And as always, we have an option here to just do the arm or just do the leg. Beautiful. And from here, we are going to do some push-ups. So option to do a full push-up. Option to come down to your knees. Option to stay in plank. Option to stay on the knees. Option to be on your forearms. Nice. And let's just try for 8 here in whatever variation you've chosen for today. Beautiful, that's looking great. You're inhaling on the way down, exhaling on the way up. Nice, and then come down onto your belly, and we're gonna do some flying pulses. So bring your arms out wide to the side, and then inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Press the tops of your feet into the mat. Your legs are nice and engaged. Beautiful, just continuing on with your own timing. And come back to downward dog, grounding down through the hands here. Really feel the engagement in the arms as you shift your weight towards the heels. Strong, steady. Nice, pushing the ground away from you with your fingers. Feeling your triceps engaging, your back is engaged. And just breathing. nice slow breaths. And let's change, heading back into our push-ups. So finding that variation, whatever it is for today, and aiming for our 8 reps. Nice. So strong. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, and for our pulses, we're coming down to the floor. Beautiful. We're inhaling up and exhaling down. Really engaging through the arms as you lift back. A few more here, up and down on your own time. You're doing great here. Keep going. Almost there. One more. Beautiful. Okay, coming back into downward dog. And let's really settle in here for a moment. This is a very strengthening pose for our upper body. And you always have an option to come down into child's pose if you want to take a bit of a rest. Forehead comes down to rest on the floor. And just breathe. You also have an option, if you're wanting a bit of a challenge, to come into a dolphin pose or forearm pose. Your knees can be bent. And if this is feeling comfortable for you and you want that extra challenge, we're going to walk it out. So just lifting up one leg at a time, right and then left. Nice. As the weight comes forward, it creates more strengthening for your arms. Beautiful. You're definitely going to be feeling it in the triceps right now. Just keep going. And just making sure that you're keeping your neck really nice and soft. No straining. Few more breaths. Nice, and coming back into downward dog. And go ahead and walk towards the middle of your mat. Grab hold of opposite arms and just hang for a minute here. You can bend your knees as much as you need to, releasing through the lower back. And just take some breaths. Relaxing down. And coming back to downward dog from wherever you are. Nice. We're going to come through all fours and eventually end up on our back. And if you have a bolster or a blanket, you can roll it up and bring it to the bottom of your spine and come into a nice chest opener. And just stay here for as long as you can. Inhale and exhale. Nice breathing. Nice deep breaths. Just enjoy the feeling of activating and strengthening through the upper body. And can stay here if you'd like, or you can come back up into a seated position. Thank you so much for moving with me today. I'll see you next time.